Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Have you seen our videos how we can restore old countertops? You can literally make your old countertops look like natural stone or high-end granite. You can even make them look like out-of-this-world gaming desks. Guys, we're going to show you how we come up with these different recipes right now. I have some extra Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy that we already had mixed up. I'm not going to waste it, I'm going to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in some colors that I typically wouldn't do to see what the outcome is. I'm going to use some of my standard techniques by granifying it with spray paint and alcohol and mixing some metallic and laying a color down. So let's do that right now and see what we come up with. The colors of the day are as follows. We're going to use our green Alumidust. This is a metallic powder we're going to mix directly into the epoxy. I already have my gold metallic mixed in 91% isopropyl alcohol. If you haven't seen our videos on how we do that, we'll have them linked in the description so you can learn too how to mix your own alcohol and metallics to create these amazing effects. I'm going to use black Rust-Oleum spray paint and I'm going to use Seaside Rust-Oleum spray paint. Let's go. Did you guys know that you can make shower panels using epoxy in our systems? You can do floors. You can do old hearths and tabletops. You can do desktops. You can restore your old countertops. Basically any old nasty surface that you want to make look amazing, yep, you can do it. Guys, visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products we use in this video. I really like that green. That's really popping off the page. That's a beautiful color. I could see some other factors that I would use this in. Now I know I have it in my arsenal. Guys, have you seen our video where we make it look like Baltic brown granite? We've also done this using other colors and other combinations. We recently did a video where we made a Brazilian green and gold granite. Same technique. We're basically adding spray paint and then we're fracturing that spray paint using the alcohol and the metallic. That's the same concept here. I've just massively changed the recipe. So let's see how it looks with these colors. You want to make sure your alcohol is shooken up. You don't want any metallic sitting at the bottom of that alcohol. I'm also going to make sure it's spraying out how I want it to, and that's pretty perfect. All right, here we go. Let it do its thing, you know, let it move. You never know what it's gonna look like. So give it a minute to really move for you. I got some material left over. I think what I'm gonna do is a miscellaneous piece. Bonus round coming up right now. Let's do it. So I already made a piece today using some black metallic, a little bit of interference blue left over. I got a bunch of this green, and I got some alcohol ink that I created using alcohol and our orange translucent dye. I got some gold metallic. I got the Hulk Smash green. Let's have a party, man. Let's make a batch tinting it with some cobalt blue spray paint. I love mixing and matching color together, guys. It just gives you an idea of what you can create using epoxy and some simple techniques. Guys, we teach a lot of hands-on training classes. And when we do, it's all about color. Come check us out at the World of Concrete at the Las Vegas Convention Center, February 4th through the 7th. We're going to have special guest RK3 Designs out there with us. She's going to do live demos. We're going to show you how we turned our passion into profit and get our hands dirty and do all kinds of different techniques live in living color. Again, this year in 2020, we're going to be hosting the Artisans Summit. This is April 7th and 8th, and it's held at the Westgate in Las Vegas, Nevada. You don't want to miss this event. It's going to be packed full of creators who have turned their passion into profit. We're going to teach you step by step how we've used modern marketing techniques to turn our craft into cash. Plus a bonus, we're going to be doing many live demos that night. We're going to have a party. It's going to be a blast. You're going to meet and rub elbows with like-minded individuals trying to take what they've learned and make a business out of it. You don't want to miss that. Come out to the Artisan Summit. Check it out at artisansummit.com. See you at the World of Concrete. Back to the video. It's about the colors that you like and over moving them, not under moving them. You wouldn't want to just drag a vein and leave it alone. When you actually do this, I just did that with my hands and look at how cool that looks. I mean, that's really pretty. I'm gonna add some orange to this. Some of that alcohol ink, orange translucent dye. So maybe that green was too loud for you in your sample. Guys, let me know, did you like it before or after I added this dye? I'm gonna move it with my hands a little bit here, just to fade that out so it's not too prominent, make it look natural. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of spray paint as a vein here. Ooh, I like how this piece is evolving over here too. See how it's moved a little bit? Let's hit it with a little bit more alcohol here, see what happens. Ooh, I like that. Kind of give it like a little bit more gold over there. We're gonna do a little bit of seaside in there. We're gonna do some cobalt blue. I'm gonna mix this with a stick here. Oh, that's really neat. Just adding some black spray paint throughout it a little bit. Oh, that is turning out really cool. That is fun. I'm gonna take it right over the side here, I think. That looks pretty awesome, man. Wow. Bring some of that green back to the top. Add a little bit of spray paint vein over here. I'm gonna move that vein around. I just really like what it does when you do that. Just putting color in it. It's really having fun with this color. You know, I got some clear left. I'm gonna try something here. We're gonna spray a bunch of spray paint in this. I like that. That's a dirty pour with spray paint and resin right there. Clear resin, just dirty. So it's a little bit too pastel. So I'm gonna add some black and white to it just to kind of frame some of these now. You know, there is natural stone that would take on these characteristics. Some of my favorite pieces just have so many different colors incorporated into them, and this would be one of them. You know, inevitably it's always the piece where you have a bunch of stuff mixed up and you just throw it at the canvas, and this looks like a very high-end natural stone. You know, a fun fact is my brother and I, we used to install granite, and some of the most fancy slabs, we actually had this customer that took and bought the whole slab, and it was similar to this kind of a look. It was just so outstandingly interesting to look at that they turned it into a piece of wall art. It was a 10-foot by 5-foot jumbo slab of stone. We just polished the perimeter and we created a bracket system to slide that in and hang it on the wall. That was challenging to install because the doggone thing weighed over 1,000 pounds. But they paid a lot of money for that natural stone. So the moral of the story is, do you want high-end natural looking stone for pennies on the dollar? This is how you do it. And this can have a vein exactly where you please. And if you don't like a color, just move it around a little bit. Let's check out our original sample and see how it's moved and melded for us. I really like those colors together. This one was very fast to do, very simple, and yet you saw me really have some fun. Can you tell what my passion is? It's playing with color and playing with this epoxy medium. Guys, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com, and until next time, remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next video. Guys, what kind of video are you looking for? Do you want to see more countertop videos, floors, showers, hearths, table restorations, gaming tables? What do you want us to create for you? I'm even creating some climbing wall holds coming soon. What do you want to see next? We'll see you in the comments.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. To find out what color additives we use, hop on over to our website, stonecoatcountertops.com, to color additives, metallic powders, liquid dyes, mica flakes, glitter additives, and much more. Check it out, stonecoatcountertops.com. Color additives, tons to choose from. Your imagination is your only limitation.